Hey art friends, today we're celebrating the Lunar New Year and we're going to draw a fire horse. I hope you're excited to follow along with me. We're using our markers to draw in color with, but you can always use whatever you have. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. First, let's draw our horse's eye. We're going to draw it a little to the left so that we have room for the body. And we're going to draw it about this big. And we could also draw the small circle in the top for the highlight and then color in the big circle or oval. Then let's draw the ear. I'm going to draw a leaf shape above and to the right of the eye. And we could also draw a line or a curve for the inside. Okay, now let's draw our horse's head. We're going to draw an S curve. We'll start here. We're going to curve down, and then we'll curve the other way. And then right here, we're going to turn this into the snout. We'll curve around, and then into the chin and jaw. Then we can draw the hair, and we're going to turn the hair into fire. So let's draw, or the mane, we're going to draw a zigzag. We'll draw a short zigzag and then a bigger zigzag. And then this one, let's draw an S curve and then down into the ear. So it looks like fire. We could also draw a nostril and a smile. Okay, now for the back of our horse's neck, we'll start here at the ear and we're going to draw an S curve. We'll come down one way and then we'll curve the other way. It's kind of looking like Charizard a little bit. Okay, and then we can draw the front of our horse's neck. We'll draw a short line down. And let's also give our horse a lucky color. We can draw a circle. And then two curves coming across the neck. Okay, now for the chest, we'll imagine this line, the neckline, going behind the necklace, coming down and then curving for the chest. And then we can draw the first leg. Let's draw a straight line down. And then we'll draw the back of the leg coming down also. And then down here at the bottom, we can curve to connect. Then down here, let's give our horse hooves. And then also, maybe the same thing as the necklace, but what would that be, a bracelet? Or a decoration on our horse's ankles. And then we can draw a second leg to make our horse 3D, and then we'll curve in. We're only drawing part of it since it's behind the first leg. And then we could draw these two curves also for this leg. Okay, now for the belly, we're gonna imagine the chest going behind the leg, coming out, the back of the leg, and curving. And I wanna make the body a bit thicker. So I think we'll have the mane coming down, but then we'll have the back up higher because this came down really far. We're gonna draw the mane next. Let's draw it and make it look like fire also. So we're gonna draw an S curve, then a zigzag back in, S curve out, and zigzag back in. Okay, then let's come down a little further. So S curve down and zigzag back in. And let's draw a couple zigzags and connect to the neck. Then let's draw the back legs. We're gonna draw a curve inside the body first, and then we'll draw the straight lines coming down to the same length as the front legs. Then we want the back legs to be the same width as the front legs, so we can imagine this measurement, and we'll use our eyes to measure and try to make them the same. It's okay if they're a little different. And then, so we got the back of the back leg. And then we'll curve for the bottom or the foot. And we can add these two curves for the ankle decoration. And now let's draw the back of our horse curving around. And we're gonna come down. And then right here, I'm gonna draw a little in and then back out. Okay, now for the fourth leg back here, we're gonna draw it behind the other one too. So we'll draw it coming down and then connecting in. Then we can draw the same two curves for this hoof. And we're missing the tail. let's draw more fire. I'm gonna draw an S curve coming up, zigzag coming down, another curve out further, and then let's draw this curving further back in. We'll come out more, in. Let's do one more curve out, and then we'll curve up and into the horse. And we did it! We still need to color our drawings. This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match my same coloring. And we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our fire horse. It turned out awesome. I hope you'll take time to color your drawings too, and even add more things to your drawing, like a background. I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and I also want to wish you a happy Lunar New Year. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye!